And this is a priority, so we need to hustle. I need a management tune-up.
Opportunities for professional development, upward mobility, a positive atmosphere, team spirit. Managers can make or break all of these. But do you want to know a secret? A lot of managers don't know how to manage. They've had zero training to lead teams, especially hybrid teams. In this video, we're going to share 7 tips for improving your management and leadership skills. What is your management style?
I need these by 11 tomorrow. No excuses. Deadlines. I don't know. What do you think?
If you're not sure about your management style, try thinking about your past managers, the ones you've liked anyway, and adapt their practices. Or choose a management mentor and learn from them. Remember that leaders mix their company's culture with their own style of management. So choose a style that feels authentic. So why is she working so late? It's a good question. And since effective leaders manage their team's capacity, you should know the answer. This requires knowing what the team is working on, how long everything should take, and what support they need in order to be successful. To be clear, I'm not suggesting that you demand minute-by-minute reports. That's micromanaging.
No!
I suggest you set goals and plan together during your weekly check-ins. You do have a weekly check-in, right? With a one-on-one meeting agenda?
Thanks for creating this agenda. Let's get to it.
Where you create safe space for authentic dialogue.
So how are things going this week?
Where you get into all the details.
So what are this week's priorities?
And you offer support?
What do you need from me? How can I be helpful?
Once you know your team's capacity, you can help manage their workload and availability. So if Wanda in sales comes over,
Hi! I need new brochures pronto.
You can set accurate expectations.
Okay, but we can't deliver till the 21st.
And if Wanda complains,
I need them by the 12th.
the big boss will either say,
Sophie's got a timeline.
or,
Brochures are a priority. I'll talk to her.
Thank you.
because you also review priorities in your weekly check-in with your boss. That's true, right? Talk is cheap. That's why every manager and leader should quantify their team's progress and accomplishments. In other words, they should demonstrate impact, like this.
95% of customers identified as very satisfied. We are actually $10,000 under budget. We project a revenue bump of 13% if we begin by the end of the quarter. You're having a real impact. I'll take this proposal to the board.
To demonstrate impact, effective managers must motivate their team to do their best work and to constantly improve. This is where managers can create individualized pathways for professional development. Through direct coaching, through shadowing high-performing colleagues, through identifying professional development courses and free online tutorials.
Have you heard of Indeed? Wow.
Effective managers also maintain a standard across their team. And honestly, if a direct report doesn't maintain that standard, then you need to meet with them one-on-one to help them improve. Talks like this can be a little awkward, but they're crucial. Every employee needs a plan and an advocate. So during that meeting, highlight the issue and describe its impact. Then be specific about the changes you want to see. Provide relevant resources if you can. And then, importantly, give them a chance to learn, try again, get feedback, and then try once more. In the long run, being direct and transparent will help create a more positive work environment, which will make this next tip feel even more authentic. Effective managers build team culture and foster a sense of belonging. One surefire way to do this is to celebrate the wins. Everyone wants to be seen. So when the team works hard, tell the world. Let them know that you see their progress. Celebrating success builds team spirit.
Okay, I'll see y'all at the escape room. Talk soon.
Great managers are made. They're not just born that way. Practicing these skills will help you become a more effective manager. Just like me. Now get back to work. The skills you learned today will be great additions to your Indeed profile. Just click the link below.
Did you say the 21st? No, reverse it. I need it by the 12th.
See you at the work-themed escape room.
Oh, that sounds like so much fun. Okay, I think that's good.